Hello there, Mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of rational functions and vertical asymptotes. Let's solve it together. In the xy plane, the graph of a rational function f has a vertical asymptote at x equals 7. Which of the following could be an expression for f of x? So, when you're talking about a rational function, you're talking about a function with a numerator and denominator in it. So, and the vertical asymptotes are always related to denominators. I'm sorry. Oops. So, in the denominator, since they said that we have x equals 7, we must have an expression. When we make it equal to 0 and solve for x, it should give us 7, which is x minus 7. Because when I solve x minus 7 by making it equal to 0, x will be 7. So now let's take a look at the choices. We're looking for the rational fraction in the denominator with the x minus 7 in it. So in choice A, we have x minus 7, yes, and this are canceling each other out, x plus 1s. So finally this turns into x minus 3 over x minus 7. So that's why the answer is A then, because this one doesn't have x minus 7 in the denominator. It does have it in the numerator, but no, that's not the place we're looking for. That's why it's not the answer. X plus 7 is something different than x minus 7. And in the choice D, we don't have x minus 7 in the denominator. So that's why choice D will not be the answer. Choice A is the answer for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.